Looking to generate AI-powered ad creatives quickly and easily? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use AdCreative AI to supercharge your ad design process so you can create high-converting ads without the need for a designer. Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll also show you how to access an exclusive extended free trial. If you're new to AdCreative AI, you're in the right place. This platform uses cutting-edge AI technology to help you create ad creatives for various platforms like Facebook, Google, and more, without spending hours on design. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or small business owner, this tool can make your life so much easier. First, let's talk about how it works. When you sign up for AdCreative AI, the software will ask you to input details about your campaign, such as the type of product or service you're promoting, your target audience, and your campaign goals. Once you've entered this information, AdCreative AI will use AI algorithms to generate a series of visually appealing ad creatives that are specifically tailored to your target audience. This ensures that your ads are optimized to drive results from the get-go. One of the most powerful aspects of AdCreative AI is its ability to quickly generate multiple versions of ads with different designs, copy, and calls to action. This helps you easily A/B test your campaigns to see which ones resonate best with your audience. It's essentially like having a personal team of designers and copywriters at your disposal, without the cost or effort. Another key feature is the software's AI-powered analytics. It tracks the performance of your ads and provides actionable insights to improve your creatives over time. You can see which ad versions are performing well and which need adjustments, so you can make real-time decisions to maximize your ROI. Here's something that really sets AdCreative AI apart: its intuitive user interface. Even if you're not a design expert, you'll be able to use this software to create professional-looking ads in minutes. No need to hire a designer or spend time learning complex design tools. With AdCreative AI, you simply input your data, choose your preferred style, and let the AI do the rest. Now, here's a little secret. If you use the link below, you can get access to AdCreative AI completely free, along with some exclusive bonuses. This extended free trial allows you to explore all the features without committing to anything upfront. You'll be able to experience firsthand how the software can enhance your ad creation process. Before we wrap up, let me remind you why you need AdCreative AI in your marketing toolkit. It helps you generate AI-powered ad creatives that are both visually stunning and conversion-focused. With the ability to test multiple versions and analyze performance, you can optimize your campaigns in real time, all while saving hours of design work. Don't forget to use the first link in the description below to unlock your exclusive extended free trial and bonuses. With AdCreative AI, you'll be able to create better ads faster, saving you time, money, and effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.